So, okay na guys. So, ito yung aming dinner tonight. Yan. And yung chicken, gusto kong kainin yung, ano niya, pakpak. Kuya, this one. Okay, but the box, can we remove the box? Do you want me to cook now, the pancit? All of us?
Yes.
Magluto muna. Gagawin ko lang sana yung books nila. Balutin sana. Okay, magluto muna ako ng noodles. Ayan na yung eggs. Tapos na. Nabalatan ko na yung itlog. Si Sak, etong gusto niya. Si Bulldog. Hot chicken flavor ramen. Kay Kuya, dalawa nito. At saka isa kay Holly. Sa akin, siguro dalawa nito. Or isa nito, isa niyan. We'll see. Nagpapakulo na ako ng tubig doon. And gusto kong papakin yung ano, yung wings. Habang mainit, gutom na ako. Yung Japanese may yung ilagay natin. Ang sarap ng dinner ni Jan. Yung egg sandwich. Ang sarap. Nalalagyan natin siya ng yeah, chicken. Yeah. And may cheese din yan.
Yes, it is.
Ha?
Yes, it is.
I don't
This
know.
is the hottest in the world.
Si Jan nakaligo na guys.
Do you need any of this?
Now you can have it
What
now.
about the hospital?
Gusto niya raw baunin egg sandwich din daw. Tsaka chicken sandwich.
No, people can go to hospital when it's too spicy.
I don't know. We'll see tonight.
I went Joe.
That's the first time you're gonna try that one, right? Yeah. That's the spice.
I don't care.
We'll see.
Take down that other spicy one.
Kumuha pa tayo si Kuya ng spoon. Ayan. Ready na yung kay...
Where's the mayo sauce?
Ay, already po.
It's in this.
It's in the...
Probably put a little bit on top there. So. Just a little bit. Yep. Yep.
Si Kuya in-enjoy niya. Sus, ako gutom na. Parang gusto kong kainin yung isa. Good? Nice?
Yeah.
Susunugin niya bukas yung dalawang box. Yan yung mga skincare. Bukas susunugin niya yan. Andun pa yung nabili niya na mali. Yung ang tawag na, yung pinapabili ko sa kanyang parang divider. Yung shelves, ayan. Sa shed niya yan ilalagay. Pero yung dalawang box, susunugin niya bukas. Si Kuya, siya na nagpakulo nito. And ayun na yung kay Sak. Siya rin nagpapakulo. Okay, that's for now, yeah.
That's the spicy.
I know. The spicy one. We'll see if Saki gonna handle it. Good luck, Saki. Ayan na siya, guys. What did you say before? What did you say? What about your mouth? Huh? Huh?
Wow, kuya.
Sabi niya, ang mouth niya daw is watering. Mouth watering. Oh my God, so good. How many years? When was the last time, Kuya? 6 years.
1 year.
6 years. The last time was in the Philippines.
What?
With the calamansi. That flavor. Pancit Canton calamansi.
We'll go with that too.
Ayan yung kay Zaki.
Is that it?
Yeah, no, we have to
Gotta
mix
mix
it.
it.
Yeah.
That doesn't look like much.
Yeah.
It's not that old, Zach.
No, wait, we have to mix it, Zach. Good luck talaga, Zach.
I'll put some like.
Tapos... What? Okay,
You got
Zach.
what, Bubba?
You want an egg?
What, Zachary ate this spicy one?
Jack, can you sit next to me? Why?
Cut legs, Jack.
Yeah. Maybe you should put the eggs on the side. No, I'm still cooking, Baba.
Oh, no yolk.
Yeah, he doesn't like the yolk. Okay, good luck.
Like that, TJ?
Okay, Kuya, here.
Do I get only one?
Later na, because
Let's say
it's...
that first.
Eat that one first.
My mouth is watering.
Uh-huh.
Nice day for
Your
work.
eyes will be watering here in a minute.
Wait, can I have some of that?
No.
It's too hot. I don't like eating spicy stuff with hot when it's hot.
Ah,
It's
yeah.
not hot.
It's still hot. No, it's not. It's not.
Okay, let go. You really gonna try?
Uh-huh.
Hang on, if Mum can't handle it, you can't.
Good luck, Sak. Good luck.
Come on, you wonder, you bought it, you ate it.
I didn't buy it.
You wonder.
You asked?
You'll be right. Find that bad, cheers. See, find that bad. Beautiful. That's what Kevin got with.
Oh, look at his lips.
I'll be done.
I know. You have to chew it, Zach. Don't swallow it. Ang anghang. It's so spicy, Zach. Good?
Easy.
Yabang nito. My ears is hot, Zach. Hala, ang anghang niyan, guys. Alam niyo naman sigurong maanghang yan.
Go Biko, kid, Zach. Go Biko.
You're Bicolano.
Matcha?
Bicolano si Zach.
Put it in.
Ba't nandito yung ano mo? Just wait, Baba. Si Jan nauubod dyan sa ano, kanyang inanong
No, come on. Oh, and then you get that much. You gotta give me a bit more. Then give me one piece. Yeah. Okay. Watch me get milk. Watch me get milk. No.
Si Kuya hindi tayo siya mang. Si Zach,
I just
grabe.
licked it.
Maanghang siya, guys. Ako nga naanghangan. Mas good, Zach? Good? You like it?
Oh, it has a little spicy on it. Oh.
Binalik ni Kuya.
This one the holy. It's the spiciest in the world.
I'm not sure. Ask them. Ask the guys. Can you ask the guys? Ask the guys if it's... Ask them.
Yeah, this is like the spiciest one in the world.
I'll try one.
People say this.
Where?
America know that.
Where did you see it?
Watch me get some
YouTube?
milk.
YouTube. Hindi pa siya kumakain. Umiinom.
Ready?
Yeah.
I hate when I swallow spicy throat and it goes down my throat.
It's not spicy, Zach.
No, but I hate when I swallow something
Ano ko,
spicy.
Holly?
And then the sauce goes down in.
Si Kuya hindi niya
It's
kaya.
not spicy.
Whatever it is.
I got one.
Look at your eyes. It's watery.
I don't know why I ate spicy food and it's like I'm thirsty now.
Wow.
It's good. I only have one
There
straw.
wasn't much noodles in it.
I wanna do a thumbnail, Zach, with the noodles and then hold that one. Come on. With the,
Hot food when it's hot. Burn my tongue.
hold this one and then do that. Scoop the noodles. And look at me. A lot. Put a lot. And then that one. That one. You hold. Spicy?
Wait, let me have a bite.
You want milk?
You want?
A little bit.
Just a little bit, Kuya, Zach, because she's not gonna handle it.
You see.
Don't get on your stuff. Don't get on the shirt. Milk. What about yours?
Is the noodles there already, Kuya?
Oh, I can't say.
Oh, it's not there. Okay, I have to put it. Si Holly hindi wala pa siya. And what's that one?
Don't get it.
It's alright. Si Zach gusto niya pang eggs.
It's not my mouth floating. My lips.
Si Zach, ayaw niya ng yolk. Here you go, Zach.
That's good.
Yeah.
You should try that thing, Mum.
Huh?
Mum,
I
can
did.
you handle yours?
I don't know. That one, no, not for, I don't know.
That one, not for you.
So this is all
He
yours,
can
Zach?
handle more spice than you.
No,
Yeah, no, I'm making excuses.
So what do you mean? You're the toughest here?
Once I drink milk, it's
Naluha na siya.
He lasted longer than you, but he
Ayun na
lasted
siya.
way longer than me.
Zach, you're crying now? Siguro hinuhold niya lang. Sobrang anghang kaya ako. Naanghangan eh. Hindi niya pa makuha yung water. Look how red. You still like it? So you think you're gonna finish this? Like once a
I'll
week?
probably have some, but don't put the whole packet in.
No, you have to have the whole pack. Ano, kaya pa, Zach? Kaya pa?
You just don't have to drink anything, then it'll get more spicy. It's a large spicy, remember?
Yeah.
Mom, will you handle yours?
Yeah. Ito yung kay Holly Girl. Yung akin malapit na rin. And gumawa rin akong tulad kay Jan. Ayan. And ayaw ni Holly ng yolk. You're welcome. Ongoing pa rin ang ating Saki boy. Sobrang anghang raw ng lips niya. Yung tongue niya okay lang. Sabi ko sa kanya, wag niyang i-ano sa lips. You think you can finish that one? You want bread? With eggs? Ayan, may bread with eggs. Oh, yum. Carbs on
Mom,
carbs.
which one did you get?
The spicy one, Baba.
The spicy one?
Kain tayo, guys. Ang aking... The anghang boy. I call you the anghang boy. The spicy boy.
The spicy king.
The spicy king.
Spicy king.
Ano na sa akin?
Give it a little mix. Oh, I need some more. You know?
Oh, Dad. Yeah, so I'm talking. I'm gonna get me books.
Books? When?
Buy my books.
Are we gonna buy yours?
Yeah, Dad just got an email.
When we gonna do that?
His name, I don't know. Told
And
Kumuha na siya ng ice pack para ilagay sa lips kasi it burns. Ayan yung natira, oh. You're done? So next time.
oh my God.
Sabi pa naman niya sa daddy niya, wala to. Easy lang daw to.
He's gonna finish it with sweet spicy girl.
See you. Pinakuha ko to kay kuya. Si daddy tsaka si kuya sa caravan sila matutulog. Ako dito kasi mag-edit ako and gagawin namin yung books ni Sak. Sige, tingnan mo. Ayan. And pinakuha ko tong freshies kasi yung aking avocado isa na lang, guys. Ito, itry ko to. Sarap din kasi tong melon milk. Ayan. So, tapos kumain. 7:33 na, guys. Pinakuha ko kay Sak yung yung water sa freezer kasi inom tayo ng freshies. And after kong kumain and magugas, ayusin ko na yung gamit ng mga bata. Freezer. Melon. So, nakalagay dito, stress relief, mood, and focus enhancer. Focus enhancer. So, pa tayong isa. Ayan yung...
Have you tried it before?
No, I haven't. The avocado was good. Ito, hindi ko pa na-try. Tikman natin to. Ay, amoy ano talaga siya. Ay! Melon. Ang ano niya, amoy niya talaga. Ang bango.
It's like a snow.
Like a snow. Si Sak hindi niya nakinaya. Hindi niya nakinaya.
Well, that smells good, Mom.
Ano?
It smells so good.
Ayan yung kulay niya.
It looks peach color. Is it a peach?
Haggard na me. Try na natin to.
Tell me if it's good and rate it. What do you rate it?
Kung anong lasa ng fruits na melon, ganun.
What do you rate it, Mom?
8. Yeah. Melon na melon. Hindi siya ganun katamis. Sarap. Baka hindi ko ito maubos. Hindi na lang malabo. Nag-burp. Tapos na kaming kumain na. Nalinis ko na rin dito, guys. Ayan yung tinapay na ating natira.
Can you drink?
Okay. And yung dalawa dito sila matutulog sa akin. Usually natutulog kami sa caravan, di ba? Pero tonight dito yung dalawa sa akin kasi ayusin namin yung gamit nila.
How are we gonna do the book?
Where's the plastic? Yeah. Magbabalot tayo ng book. Yung books na notebook yun, guys. Notebook. Pero ang tawag book. Ayan.
I'm so excited to go back to school.
Wow. Narinig yun. Tingnan nyo talagang
Just boring.
haggard na ako, guys.
It's just boring.
Wow. Boring ka dyan.
17 books.
Mom,
No, yeah, 17. Ang babalutin
Mom,
natin.
I'm gonna do my
Kakaiba yung balot dito, guys.
Mommy,
Di ba tayo? Yes,
I'm
baby.
gonna do my pencil case now.
Okay. So, sa atin,
My first sister.
we're gonna do it.
Oh!
Ito yung mga notebooks ni Sak. And this is your...
Do I have
Oh
the
my
whole
God,
thing,
tingnan
Mom?
niyo.
Do
Ang
I have the
dami.
whole thing?
I don't think you have to remove it from that. Yeah, okay. So, ang dami nating babalot. Iba yung plastic nila dito, guys. Sa atin, di ba yung nakaroll? Dito, i-insert na lang. Ganito. Ayan. I-insert na lang. So, hindi tayo magti-tape. We don't put tape, right? First time ko itong
No, I know
gagawin.
how to do it.
Okay. You know how to do
Mom?
it?
Do we...
But I
Never.
don't have to put like.
Yeah, where is the name? Yeah, we have to put name pa pala. Where's the...
Yeah, but how do you know which book to use? But with yours a lead pencil.
No, we
I
have the
have
sticker. We got the sticker. Can you get the... Yeah. Iba dito, guys. And first time kong gagawin tong magbabalot ng ano nila, ng notebook. Kasi yung sa school nila sa parang
Oh,
uwi na lang sila dito or kukunin namin silang kumukuha. First day of school, kukunin nila sa school, lunch. Then, ano na siya, nakabalot na siya, guys. So, dito sa school nila, wait, hold it. Dito sa school nila, kami yung gagawa. Naalala ko kila sa, kasama na sa dating school nila. Hoy, Baba, let me do it Zachary first because I don't wanna mix up. Yeah. So, kila sa dating school nila, pag-uwi nila dito sa first day of school, pag-uwi nila, dala nila yung books. Hindi kami ang nag-pick up, sila. So, this time, sa bagong school, kami yung nag-pick up. Tapos, yun, babalutin natin.
Where's the stickers?
And then may stickers. This one, homework. So, we have to put this one on top of your...
Yes, I know.
may Italian. Okay.
I want Italian.
Yeah, you're gonna learn Italian. May
Okay, so
Italian.
what you do?
So, si Sak kasi ginawa na raw nila to sa school. So, you have to put here, I think. No, wrong?
I know how to do it.
Okay, but you're doing it wrong. You have to put it...
Oh, I'm just gonna do this.
That's right. Okay. So, eto yung mga subject ni Zaki Boy. Meron tayo. Holly, can you wait for Mommy? I'm gonna do Zachary first and then you're next, okay? I know you're so excited, but I just wanna make sure that I'm doing the right thing here for Zachary. Okay. So, si Zach, ginagawa na raw nila to sa school. So, you do this at school, right? Yeah. Louder?
Yes.
Yes. So, ganito yung bag. Walang tape. So, we don't have to put tape.
Why
Zach.
do you want to put tape?
I don't know. I'm just asking.
I know.
You're so warm. Busog na busog ako. Hindi ko naubos yung pansit. Okay.
Right, is it the wrong one?
Yeah, it's the right one. So, ayan. Dali
Is
na
that
siya,
what you
guys.
get?
From this to this. O, diba? Ang ganda ng Ito yung subject, homework. Ito yung homework niya.
You're gonna
Book.
do some too.
This is mine.
Yeah, wait, baby. Wait for you, okay? Wait for you. Okay?
Just do all your pencils.
Where's the plastic sack?
There.
So, doon sa isa, nabili ko ganito. Doon sa unang pinunta natin. Set of, kay Holly na lang siguro to para, this is yours, Holly. Later. So, ito kay Sack. And, meron din dito si Holly kasi kulang yun para kay Holly. Okay.
Yeah.
First time ko talaga ito gawin. Simulang nag-aral sila kasi, yun nga, yung sa kanila, sa dating school, gawa na, pag umuwi sila, nakaganito na. So, dito, sa private school, tayo ang gagawa. Yeah, I have to put that one. Careful. So, we don't have to put name because you have your name here, basta. Kasi pwede mo siyang lagyan ng pangalan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Dito. Ayan. Pwede siyang lagyan ng pangalan. Pero yung school nila sa, provided na nila to. Tapos may pangalan ni Sa. And then nandito yung subject. Ayan, Italian. Oh my God, bonjour! Bonjour, hindi pala. Zach, you're gonna learn Italian, Zach. Wow. I don't know what's this one, Zach. You have different kinds of books. So exercise
Doesn't really
book,
matter.
it doesn't really matter.
You want me to quiet time? No.
What's the graph? Ah, this is graph book.
What we're doing it wrong? Because
What?
is it like
You have different one. Writer. I don't know. So you have 3 different kinds
I know
of...
this one has to be maths.
This one, office, max. So you have, mayroon siyang tatlong iba-ibang cover
I
na
don't
book.
get which one to do.
I know, wait. But they all look the same. I think this one is, this one, Zach. For like,
Oh no, maths it has to have the squares.
yeah, this one, here. Graph, this one.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So, alam niya na. And this one, so this one is Italian, maybe this one, no?
Oh.
Italian. Well, you can just swap, right? You can just swap it if it's wrong. Kasi hindi naman siya babaklasin ng bongga.
I'm gonna get
Do yours
scissors.
later.
Yeah, we're gonna do yours later, Baba. We don't wanna mix it here.
I'm doing my pencil box.
Gagawin na namin to kasi ano na ngayon, bukas may bisita tayo, tapos Australia Day Friday.
Right, but Italian can't be that because like in my Chinese book it was actually like literally.
Like notebook.
Like this.
Yeah, that's right. So this is Italian, like a regular.
Where's the shit? Here's maths.
Okay.
What should I do? What's it called?
Hmm?
Where's all the?
What?
This one probably has to be.
Yes, this one. I don't know what's this.
That one's probably homework.
Homework, you think so? Okay, where's the other?
Here's the homework.
That one's
Can we do
homework.
that?
Okay, what's this? Oh, parents report response survey. So, gagawin namin
Where's
din
all
isa.
the?
Meron ditong parent response survey. So,
Why so
sasagutin
lots of
namin.
maths?
yeah, you have a lot here. That one. I think so. Because that's, you have 4. Meron siya dito yung graph book na 4. So, hala. Maybe multiplication, division. I'm not sure.
I need a bowl.
Probably. Yeah, maybe. So you think this, I think this one is for homework.
Yeah,
Yes.
it has to be.
Yeah, it has to be. And then
No,
this
not
one,
that one, the green book.
the green book.
Yeah. it has
Down
to
there,
be.
Mum.
Yeah.
That under that note.
Okay. Malulobat na naman tayo. Kapapalit ko lang yan. Siguro yung battery ko hindi na ano sila guys. Hindi na sila matibay. Kasi di ba? Baka hindi ko lang din. Kasi kanina mahaba yung vlog natin nung nag-put away kami. Bakit this one? Bakit this one? Okay. So this is your Italian book, homework. I think this one is just the same with that green one. Year 5 na pala si Sak, grade 5. See? This one is thinner than this one.
That one's homework. Telling you.
Okay, so I'll put this one here.
Yep.
Okay. And yun nga, si Kuya, kanina lang namin na-receive yung email na around 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock natanggap ni Jan yung email na bibilhin namin yung mga books. Marami tayong bibilhin na books. Hindi namin nakuha kanina kasi, di ba, 1:30 yung pick up ng books ng dalawa. Tapos pinagawa natin yung ano rin ni Kuya. So, mga alas 2 na kami doon nakaalis or 2:30 sa IT. Tapos, 3 o'clock, na-receive namin na bibilhin daw namin yung books. Tapos, tinawagan ni Jan yung friend niya na yung mga anak ay nasa same school kung saan ngayon sila sa. Sila nga daw, natanggap nila yung email is, ano na, first day of school. So, binili nila yung books. First day of school. Buti na lang, may time pa tayo bago magpasukan. Kasi si Kuyang Monday, diba? So, may oras pa. Pwede pang ma-pick up bukas ni Jan. What's that? You're doing it wrong. You have to do this like this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know.
Look how much, Mom.
So, homework, this one you're sure, sa? Can I have one plastic, please?
You get it.
Where is it? Where? Ayan. Hindi ko nakita. Sorry naman.
That makes more sense.
I'll do this later.
Yeah, Baba, do it yours later, Baba. Okay, we have to do this
Yeah.
first.
So I'm done with my case.
Okay.
I need to my room.
Pero yung mga ano nila, yung mga like colors, pencils, ano na,
Just it.
kasama na sa ano nila. Kasama na sa bayad. Ano ba ito? Pero parang natatagalan tayo dito sa... Madali nga to guys, compare dun sa atin, diba? Tatanggalan pa natin ng spring, yung ating notebook. Pero ang tawag sa kanila, book. Eh, notebook naman to. Pero yung notebook nila, mas malaki sa notebook natin.
Because I have so much books.
What's wrong? What?
What's this the wrong one?
What's wrong way? I don't know to you, because you have to do like this, see? Like that. You move it. I thought you know what you're doing.
What's this one, Mum?
That's math for Korea stuff.
So, is it this one?
Yeah.
What's these? Because
No.
I have to do this already. Where's that? Why do you have to do this? When I accidentally drop these things, I have to put them back in their exact like that. That's how I do them. But the
Tapos, ito yung mga supplies ni Zach na extra. Uy, Zach, get a notebook. Where's the notebook?
I'll just try and tell you.
Okay, just do it properly. So, yung extra ni Zach, linagay namin dito kasi hindi niya naman kailangan ng 5 glue stick. So, dadalhin to ni Zach sa school, tapos dun sa school niya, sa room niya, meron siyang parang box or drawer na ilalagay nila to. Tapos, pag ubus na yung nasa pencil case nila, pwede silang kumuha. So, ayan. Zach. That's it? Zach Howard? You're not gonna put? Or just put H? Yeah, because if you have...
dot H.
Do it properly. And ito yung mga socks. Can you skirt me, Holly?
Yeah, and we ordered 2.
So, ang cute ng skirt. This is not shirt, no,
It's a
it's
skirt, not a
skirt. Yeah, skirt, short, and skirt.
And skirts.
That's why they call skirt. So, kinuha namin yung mga bata. Sila sak na.
And I have like
There.
socks.
Tigda tatlong gray na socks. Tapos, marami silang white. So, etong gray, this gray socks is for their, proper uniform. Proper. Bakit meron bang improper? Hindi, proper uniform. Naka-uniform sila, yung regular uniform. Tapos, kasi pag PE, iba naman yung kanilang susutin and white socks sila. So, yan.
Yep.
Tapos, si Jan, may binili siyang nung first time natin kinuha yung kanilang uniform, bumili na si Jan ng dalawa ata sila. So, meron na silang tig-5 socks.
Mom, I'm making one tonight.
Okay, where's... It's heavy. Ayan, we're done. Excuse me, Holly.
Wait, what's this one up here?
Hala.
This one's Holly's.
Are you sure?
Yeah, remember you got it at Holly's? Right, on the safe is 7A.
Yeah, yours is 17. Oh, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, tama. It's right. Okay.
Okay, Okay, Mommy, I'll just keep it.
Religion. Meron siyang religion book. English. Italian. Homework. Science and technology. Reading. Math.
Why is Holy Sisters
Ma?
like better than mine?
Math. Ito pangalan lang. What's has? Sa.
Pass.
What's that
Oh,
has?
It's history.
Yes, history.
Oh.
Arts?
No.
No? I'm sorry.
History. Social.
Ah.
Science.
No, you have science.
Pass is.
Something. You know what's has means?
Memory.
Yeah, I forgot. I
Memory
learned
task.
it.
Morning task. Morning task.
I like these things. These.
Okay, basta may has siya. Has, hindi ko alam kung ano yung
Please,
has.
that's gonna put in your
So, meron siyang 4 na book na math. So, I put this all together. But you have another one.
That's mine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's ours.
Okay. So, we're done with the
You
book.
know that plastic bag?
Yeah. Is
Why
this
is it-
extra?
Yes.
So, mayroon siyang 2 ruler. And what else did you
But hang on, I've got like 2 rubbers in here. 3 actually.
Okay,
I have
just
two.
you just need
I
one.
hate the ruler because like it makes it so tight. I only have one.
Yeah. Just have one. Okay. So, let me show it to
So
them.
much better without the ruler.
Ayan yung laman ng pencil case ni Sa. Supply din to ng school. Except yung ating pencil case, binili niya ni Auntie Mel. Ayan. So, nandyan yung mga texter, pencil na may color,
You know what?
sharpener, and gunting.
Look,
Ayan.
the paper.
Ha?
The paper.
So, sa isang, dito sa mga may color pencils, isang rubber. This one,
Okay, I'll be.
yan. Yes, please. Tapos yung mga texter.
How are we gonna put them together?
Honey, wait. You're gonna poke my eyes. Where's the rubber?
There.
There's rubbers.
Okay. Is this all the pen? All? Okay. This one.
Handle.
Where's the other? So you only need one?
Yeah, I'll
No, just
Put this together.
alone. No, just put it there. Just alone. Where's your pencil case?
This is how it goes.
Where's your pencil case?
Open your eyes.
Okay, so ngayon mas easy na siya, guys. Oh, hindi na siya kalat-kalat. This one, I think I have to do.
Yes, this is one. That's my favorite.
So, ganito ang gawin nyo, guys, para hindi magulo yung pencil case ng mga bata.
Is that right?
Look at me. You have to make it two.
Oh.
See, it's easy. You have just to take one.
I know, look. So you go like this.
Easy. Okay, that's good now. Here. Yeah, this one, it's alright because you only have one. So, even this one, it's alright. Ayun, okay. Very sharp sock, so.
And don't go like this with it.
Okay. You
I need this thing.
Okay. So, basta yan na yung itsura niya. Compare kanina, guys. Oh, hindi na siya magulo. So, pag kailangan niya ng kung anong kulay dyan, bunutin niya lang. Same dito. Kanina, di ba, ang gulo-gulo? So, yan. Okay. We're almost done. So, yung rubber niya. Oh, you got 2 rubbers. Okay. So, we have to put it back in that.
Yeah, now
Ang bigat.
Probably more books than everyone in this family.
This one, give me. My God, Sak. Oh, wala pa tong libro, ha?
probably put that one in here.
Wala pa tong libro.
I'll put my light.
So, inaayos ko na yung uniform ng mga bata. Hinahang ko sila.
Why do we have so many grey? No white.
We got lots of white from that bag. When we got your shoes.
So see.
Yeah. You have 5 gray socks
Hang on, paste that one.
Yeah, same as TJ. 5 gray, and then you have more whites. Kasi yung white is for PE lang naman. Yung gray is for school uniform, yung regular uniform nila. Ayun na pala yung isang uniform nandun. Tingnan niyo yung medyas ni Holly. Ang dami niyang white. Dami niyang whites and may black din siya. Wala pa yung black niya dito. Eto pa pala, oh. Wait lang, ayusin natin din. So, yung bag naman ni Kuya yung nire-raid natin. So, lalagyan kong pangalan yung kanilang hat. Ayan na yung pangalan ni Kuya. Yung unang pen na binigay ni Sak, walang masyadong tinta. Kaya naging ganyan siya, dinoble-doble. Andun kay Sak, may pangalan na rin yung kanya. Si Sak, ginagawa niya na yung kay Holly. Nilalagyan niya na ng rubber band yung pencils niya para mas easy nga. Para hindi magulo. Tulad yung sa kanya, yung ginawa ko sa kanya. Ayan na guys, yung mga uniforms ng mga bata. Ayan, eto lahat to kay Holly. Ayan, dito na rin yung PE, tapos yung uniform niya, yung regular uniform. Eto yung regular uniform nila Sak. Eto kay Sak to. And ayan yung PE niya. Ayan, nilagay ko na yung mga socks nila. Tapos, eto, pag malamig, hindi sila kumuha ng pants. Merong pants, pero alam nyo naman yung mga bata, di ba? Never sila nagpa-pants kahit winter. Pag pumapasok sila. And, eto kay Kuya, same as Zachary, meron silang tig-dalawang regular na school uniform and yung PE, ayun, yung parang t-shirt. And, ayan yung kanyang sweater. So, yan. Ito maganda itong kay Holly. Gusto ko ito, yung fleece. Meron siyang vest and meron siya yung sweater. So, baka hindi ko lang kung mapaplansya ko ito bukas kasi bukas may bisita tayo guys, diba? Tapos bukas magiging busy din ako. Magpe-prepare tapos, so, hopefully before Sunday, baka Sunday. Sunday ng gabi ko sila mapaplansya para i-steam natin. Kasi nagusot sila. Ang dami kong kalat dito. Ayan, di ko pa siya tapos. And yung books ni Holly. So, eto. Yung mga books ni Holly, babalutin ko pa yung mga yan, guys. So, anong oras na? What time is it? 11 o'clock? 11 o'clock.
10:56.
10:56. No, I have to do it now. Oh, it's done. Okay, ihang ko to dun sa live selling ko. Madaling araw na hindi. 11:33 na guys. Yung kay Holly na yung gagawin ko. Pero lalagyan ko pa siya ng pangalan. Hindi to guys, sa kay Sak nakaprint niya. Yung sa kanya, ayan, may Italian din siya. Oh. So, pangalanan ko muna to. Nalagyan na natin ng pangalan. Hiniram ko kay Sak yung kanyang pen. So, lahat na yan may Holly. Okay. So, every books, eto, meron silang ilang pages. So, naka-indicate dito yung color at saka yung page na paglalagyan nitong mga, eto ba, yung cover. Kung halimbawa, for example, etong spelling, 48 page, orange. So, ayan, 48 page, orange. Halimbawa naman, sample ko lang ha, kasi ang dami. Sabi ko, saan ko to ilalagay? Tapos, eto, binasa ko siya. Ayan, meron siyang guide. Meron siya dyan. Ayan, 48 page, math 1, math 2. So, ayan. So, ayan, si Holly naka-PJs na, si Sak tulog na, guys. Anong oras na ba? Past 12 na, alas 12 na ata. Yeah, 12:27 na, guys. Ayan, 12:27. So, close ko na yung vlog. Ayan, napangalanan ko na yung mga dapat pangalanan. So, nalagyan ko na siya ng pangalan.
Even inside.
Even this one. And, madami pa akong gagawin na dapat lagyan ng pangalan. So, eto na yung mga books ni Holly. Ayan.
Because we did a lot of hard work.
That's right. Okay, we're tired. All of us are tired. Okay, we're gonna close our vlog, guys. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog.
Good
Bye.
night. Good
And
morning.
good night.
Wake up, Kuya. Sa akin.
Because I